Hey guys, welcome back to Edward RC. If you have not subscribed, please click the subscribe button below. And we have a new product here from Eachine EX5 sent by Banggood. And if you are professional, please do not buy. But if you're a beginner, this is very highly recommended. So let's check it out. And this is the Eachine EX5, the latest model. Previously they had this EX4. And what are the features available? As you can see here, speed control, one key return with a typo, headless mode, LTT hold, which is great, and it actually has a downward facing camera for indoor position hold, I believe. HD camera, I'm not sure how HD is that, and GPS, of course, there's a GPS hold, and for return to home as well. And the version I have here is batteries, two batteries version, 1000 meter, 5G, 4K. Not sure how true is this. And these are some of the I think certification. The QR code here to download app to control some of the stuff on this drone, but then they don't really work that well. So let's unbox. Oh, nice foam, and here you go. Looks exactly like a folded Mavic Mini, and yeah, so folded outwards. So you have to unfold the front arm first before you can unfold the rear arm. There's a box here with manuals, spare props, and also the USB cable to charge your two batteries via micro USB. Then you get two batteries. They are two cell, 2200 mAh, 25C. Then there's a remote here with some instructions of the controls, like what they means. And this comes default as a mode 2. If you're mode 1, they actually mentioned in the manual that you have to press the speed button here when you turn on the remote. And if you look at the remote, it's pretty similar to like the DJI controller, those compact type. Buttons here for auto takeoff. This is headless mode. This is tilt up and down on your camera. This one this is a compass calibration, and this one I think is a landing button. There's also record video camera. This one is a surround mode. I think the surround yourself, point of interest. This is a speed change, and these antennas I think they are fake. Maybe I'll do a disassemble video of this drone. How the mount phone is by using this, which is quite shitty. And the back is it uses 4 AAA batteries. So I'm going to show you why this is so highly recommended for a beginner. And looks like I already have GPS signal over here. You can see the coordinates over there. That should be GPS lock. So these are the controls. It's pretty much self-explanatory. Like this one, A means takeoff. If you are mode 2 user where your throttle is on the left, you just need to turn on the remote. If you're on mode 1, which is throttle on the right, you have to press and hold this button over here. This is a speed button, and turn it on. Right, so to take off, you push the stick to the outer side to activate it. And then if you're on mode 1, then right throttle up. And there it goes. Alright, as you can see, I'm hands-free now, and it's holding so well. It's not moving at all in the camera. There's a visual positioning, scanning the ground. And then even if you take it to a higher height, it's still holding very, very well. This is your... Yeah, and it still locks in the same position. Very, very well tuned. Left to right. So this is especially great for when you are flying indoor, and especially for beginner. If you are new to it, you're not sure how to control, as there are 4 directions. You just hands off and then it will hold the position for you. So very highly recommended for a newbie because it's less pressure for you. Otherwise, if it's not able to hold itself so well, you'll probably be like nervous, and then most likely you will crash. Eachine has done a really fantastic job in tuning the PID. Let's say it's holding in position now. I'm going to drag it. I'll push it. Don't try this at home. You'll go back to the original position. So it's just like your DJI. See, it's so well. Also in terms of altitude control to go up and down, the stick is at the center, so pushing up means increasing altitude. Right stick down is to decrease altitude. So now we are up there. It's holding very well. Look at that. It's up at one place very steadily. Damn. Hope you can see the image on the FPV signal. FPV image is not that good. There's jello, so don't expect kind of DJI image quality and also image FPV, but it's still a lot better than the analog FPV signal because this is digital. And then see there's a slight delay, a slight jerk with the video signal because this is actually using a Wi-Fi to control, to get image and also control the aircraft in terms of the other extra features. Whereas this one is to control the movement, and you can actually fly it without your camera connected. So you can see, as you can see, it's still holding fantastic up there. There's voltage over here. I'm not sure whether there will be a warning or not when its battery is low. And this extra feature I'm not testing yet. Oh, so okay, so you can control your shutter. Now I see the image. So it snaps right into your phone, I believe, as there's no memory in the aircraft. So it's like a DJI. While you're flying, you can actually control the controls over here. In terms of control, it's fantastic. It's still holding so well up there, but in terms of image and video quality, you don't expect something from DJI. How about we try control the camera tilt as well? So it's shaky, there's no gimbal. Let's see, I turn. Can I control my camera tilt from the phone? Yeah, but control is kind of buggy. So this is best for if you are not expecting a lot from it, because this is 140 US dollar, while for DJI is what, 400 500 US dollar, a big difference. So battery wise, this one is advertised to be 30 minutes. We're going to test that in a separate video with a fully charged battery. So if you're a beginner flying this, no sweat, there's a lot of confidence in controlling it. Let's take a selfie quickly. Yep. So because the altitude is so well, you can just control one stick to go around. Forward pitch and also left and right yaw. See? There's one hand to control. And if you're confused, just let go and then it just stays there. No sweat. To land, you just bring it down and then holding your throttle down, then you just cut off the throttle itself. So another way to land is by using the button over here. Let's try that. Oh, what the hell is it doing? Oh, so you actually turn around you, turn to face you, and then shit. Okay, almost screwed that. Oh, to land, you actually face you first, then it lands. Then to turn it off, just long press. Then the light will be off. Then you can just turn off your remote. Then now you're safe. So that's it, a quick test of the flight review, and I'll do a separate video for the return to home, the range, flight time, as well as taking this apart to show you more about this. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. So you can get one from the affiliate link in the description. It doesn't cost you extra, but it helps to build this channel to do more product review for you guys. And also there's a special code that you can use for a limited time to get extra discount because you are watching this video. So I requested this special discount for you guys. And I'll see you in the next video with more tests on this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and subscribe. Bye!